Today we're going to be going over a Swing Katana False Hyper and why it's relevant. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, a channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the first ever hyper kick for the UTC and going over why you should learn it. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your jump or zero crescent kicks. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. It's actually an 83-degree rotation kick. Get it right, Rob. So katana is a term used in TKT that Dan Perez created. And basically what it stands for is hyper round kick. And a hyper round kick is a round trick variation where you add an extra 180-degree rotation to the move before landing. And there are three types of hypers in this curriculum. There's a false hyper where you land on the non-kicking leg, a regular or snap hyper where you land with both legs at the same time, and a true hyper where you land just on the kicking leg. And this move is good to learn because it's going to ease you into adding an additional 180 rotation before landing. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a frontside stance. I do recommend you kind of step forward in the beginning to get some momentum going. You're going to lift your round kicking leg up, making sure that you're throwing an inside crescent kick. Then you're going to hop off your non-kicking leg, adding a 180-degree rotation, finishing the move in a backside stance. Now, don't forget you can do this move regularly. You can do this move with a follow through. You can do it with a spin in the beginning, and you can do it with a spin and follow through together. We're not doing combos for these hyper moves, but I do recommend you get these so you're better well-rounded when we have to combo other hyper kicks later on. Now, my only tip is whenever you're doing this move without a spin in front of it, try to step forward a little bit to give yourself a little bit more momentum going into the trick. Otherwise, it feels really awkward. Even though it already feels awkward, it feels more awkward. As for progressions, make sure that you have all your basic crescent kicks down. If you don't, you can click on that tutorial right there. Or if you have any questions about any of these moves in the curriculum, please leave a comment down below so I can help you out. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting moving this curriculum forward financially. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Next, we're going to be getting into a cheat katana false hyper, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.